What's going on, gang? It's your boy Port City Damien, back with another video. So today is a video that we've all been waiting for. We're gonna be revealing the new wheels on the 2IS Lexus. Can't wait to show you guys. The wheels are a little bit dirty, but I want to get this done before it starts raining, and yeah, I'll show you guys in a little bit. So here's the new wheels, guys. These are ESRs, CS15s. Here's the front fitment. Has a little poke to it. Then with these wheels, I'm literally on the floor, bro. Look at that. Sheesh. On the floor. The rear fitment, we tucking, boys. So this is like really touching. As you can see, yeah, the wheels are a little bit dirty, like I mentioned. But yeah, these are a 265 40 18. So we need to go down a size on that one because that one is touching. And these are 225s. Yeah, look at the stance. Sheesh. Look at that little poke. It's cool. Overall, the car's been good. Definitely a big change with the wheels. Has that little poke in the back. Going for like a little white and black theme. Looking clean. So I notice with the car, when I air out, like the back fenders, because the tires are so thick and meaty that it airs out on the tire and then it hits the inside of the fender, and then when I air up, it makes like a loud ass popping sound from the fender being onto the wheel, because the tires are so thick. I'll try to show you guys right now, but yeah, get ready. So that's the thing I was telling you about. I don't know if you guys caught the audio of the car making that cracking sound, but I asked like a few of my friends who run aggressive setups with the bags. They said it's pretty normal. As long as you're not driving like that, then it will be an issue, but we should be fine. But I still want to change that rear tire size at least to the 255 at least, or 245, so I can tuck more tire and it will be flush fitment. And yeah, gonna end this video off with a little cinematics. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys like the wheels. And yeah, signing out.
I'm a player, not a simp, babe. This shit coming off the head like a temp fade. And your bitch tryna kick it like a sensei. Maybe you can get a wig, but I ain't paying rent, babe. Young stepping in some bands, know I I brag different. I can go and spend it, nigga, cause my bag different. That bitch, she ain't really fucking bad, the whole catfishing. And I got your bitch doing tricks, this whole back flipping. I been smoking on that gas, you can smell the aroma. In the booth, I'm in that mode, sipping Arizona. You might think bro finna crash the way he been the corner. Take your bitch and give her back, no, I don't even wanna. Take your bitch and give her back, I want a refund. In the booth, got on dark shades, I can't even see nothing. I be high up in the stars, now I'm finna be one. How the fuck I cut you off, you running back, that little whole D1. Yeah, she's a trap star. Baby, I'm a dog like them pits in a backyard. I be on some other shit while niggas tryna act hard. And we steady getting to that money, nigga, that part. With your bitch, you can call me Timmy, know I'm finna turn her up.